Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to copy a sketch. So you can go to plan view, and as example I will draw circle, and another you can draw rectangle. Now if you want to copy like the circle object, you can select the circle by using the select tools and press Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste the object. Now you can move like from this point into another area. I will paste again. You can move from this point into here. So you can select the rectangle object, press Ctrl C, and then press Ctrl V to paste, and you can move the rectangle object. So that's it. And you can paste again. It will be automatically paste the objects, and you can increase, decrease the object in there. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to copy a sketch. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.